Astuti from class C4. I'm in here. I will to read resume accounting and financial statement. Clay tablets interested Sumerian traders because the records gave them a way to see their financial situation and to us that insight to measure progress and plan for the future. That the method of accounting universally used in business today is known as accrual accounting, in which events are accounted for even if cash does not change hands. That is, transactions are recorded at the time they occur rather than when payment is actually made or received. Accounting techniques developed during the European age of discovery, which was motivated by ever expanding trade. But the principles and the methods of modern accrual accounting were first published in a text by Lucia Faccioli. A third, they were probably developed even before that. These methods of keeping the books can be applied to personal finance today as they were to trading in the age of long voyages, fever and clovers, and with a clearly valuable result. The accounting process, financial decision result in transaction, actual trades that buy or sell, invest or borrow in business, accounting journals and ledgers are set up to record transactions as they happen. Bookkeeping, the process of recording what and how and by how much a transaction affect the financial situation is how events are recorded. Since the advent of accounting software, bookkeeping, like long division and swelling, has become somewhat obsolete, although human judgment is still required. And then cash flow statement. The cash flow statement is important because it can show how well you do at creating liquidity as well as your net income. Liquidity is nearness to cash and liquidity has value. And an excess of liquidity can be sold or lent, creating additional income. Lack of liquidity must be addressed by buying it or borrowing, creating additional expense. Looking at Alice's situation, she has to loan requirements that are not expenses and so are not included on her income statement. These payments reduce her liquidity, however, making it harder for her to create excess cash. This cash flow, this cash flow statement more clearly show how liquidity is created and where liquidity could be increased. If Alice wanted to create more liquidity, it is obvious that eliminating this loan. Balance sheet and then balance sheet. In business or in personal finance, a critical piece in assessing the current situation is the balance sheet. The balance sheet is a list of assets, debts or liabilities, and equity or net worth with their value. In business, assets are resources that can be used to create income, while debt and equity are the capital that finance those assets. This, the value of the asset must equal the value of the debt and the equity. In other words, the value of the business resource must equal the value of the capital it borrowed or bought in order to get that resource. This look much better, but it's not stone accounting characteristics to include an asset and its value on the balance sheet before it really exists. After all, Education generally pays off, but until it does, it hasn't yet ended its ascent. However slim that it won't for a life. A balance sheet is a balance a balance sheet is a snapshot of one's financial situation at one particular time. At this particular time, Alice education has followed, but its amount is unknown. It's easy to see, however, that the only thing that creates negative net worth for Alice is her student loan. The student loan caused her liabilities to be greater than her asset, and if that were paid off, her net worth would be positive. Given that Alice is just starting her adult earning years, her situation seems quite reasonable. Thank you.